Hey guys, what's going on? Cody here, and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make $200 on Clickbank. Okay, it's very, very simple, and I've actually been able to do this without any advertising spend. Okay, so maybe you're just getting started in this space. Maybe you've tried a few Clickbank products and you're not having much success. Maybe you're running ads. But I'm going to show you guys today on how to get $200 on Clickbank without any advertising spend. Okay, if you guys can see this right here, it's March 17th, $271 so far. Last month was $100, so this product is scaling. Whoops, let me go back here. Okay, so there's a few things that you need to know when choosing a Clickbank product, because really, if you can choose a product that you relate with, you'll be able to, provide it to your audience a lot better. Okay, so that's the first thing that you need to keep in mind is, do you relate with the product? Do you believe in the product? Okay, make sure that you do some research on it and make sure it's going to be around for a long time. Okay, so the second thing you need to keep in mind is who's running the company, who's running the product, what's the leadership behind the company, and what's their vision. Okay, go deep on research when you're doing product research like this, because it can make the world of a difference when it comes to the sale of the product. Okay, and then the third thing is, it's scalable. So does this product have multiple price points that you can offer to your audience? Because not everybody's going to be able to afford, the highest end package maybe you have to offer, but they can't afford the lowest end package. Okay, so those three things are the most important things you need to keep in mind when choosing a Clickbank product. Okay, number one, can you relate with it? Do you believe in it? Number two, the leadership of the company, and number three, is the product scalable? Okay, and actually, if you stick around at the end of this video, I'm gonna provide you guys with a link in the description of this product that I'm using. Very, very quality product. Okay, it's gonna be around for a long, long time, and it's actually getting me results consistently. So basically, what it is it's providing me with a skill set that I can go out into any marketplace and build a business. Okay, so it's teaching me a skill set that I can use in any industry. So it's pretty powerful stuff to build me as an entrepreneur. Okay, now guys, how I did this was very, very easy. I didn't spend a dime on advertising spend. Okay, all you have to do is go to your Facebook page and you go to your messenger and you start messaging new people that you've never talked to before. Okay, ask them where they're from, what it is that they do, and why they got started doing that. Okay, start up conversation, figure out what their problems are, and provide a solution with your product. Okay, it's that simple. I mean, you guys just have to be creative in your marketing. Okay, get in that messenger, start conversations, be natural, don't sell them. Okay, don't just send them your link. That's super spammy and you'll probably get blocked. Okay, so keep these things in mind when you're trying to find a Clickbank product. And guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to make $200 on Clickbank. Okay, if you did, please subscribe. And like I said, check out that link below in the description. All right, see you guys in the next video.